Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Legacy. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look under the dashboard. And to unlock the hood, you have to pull this lever. Now the hood is unlocked. We can lift it up. But first we have to find the lever, which is located right here, above the right side of the Subaru logo. Push the lever left and now you can lift up the hood. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.